Alright, welcome to Everything Attachments. We're putting together our skid steer quick attach hitch on the land leveler right now, and we're going to do a little demonstration video and show y'all what to do. We're going to pass you off to Trevor and Candelario real fast. And Trevor, what's the first thing you got to do?
First thing we're going to do is we're going to find the center mark, which on this one I believe is 81/5/8. We're going to measure out from the center mark 16 inches each side.
Yep.
Where these pieces are going to go. Now you may or may not have to do this, but there's a seam in the tube from where it's put together. You may have to hit it with a die grinder, hit it with a grinder, something, and sometimes the cut, you may have to clean out the burrs. But if you do that, you should be good to go.
Yep. Yeah, we're just getting the seam out of the tube so that everything can sit kind of flush right here. You can see like this side has no seam right here, so you don't have to worry about it, but we did clean up the edges a little bit just so that everything sits flat.
And it's also going to make your job a lot easier if you try to get this on as much of a level surface as you can.
Yeah.
It just helps out the whole process.
Yeah, we've got some blocks under the land leveler right now to level everything out, and then we're going to continue on. All right, we got these braces set level right now. You can see how they're cut out so that they'll sit on the bottom of that tube there. And you want to level this brace with however you've got the land leveler leveled. So if your land leveler's off level, these are going to have to be off level.
Alright, so far we got everything level, we got this tube in. One thing you may have to worry about with this tube, depending, on the land leveler, it may bow after it's been welded, so you may have to take a little bit off. I believe we took maybe a 16th out of this. It's perfect. But other than that, it's going to go together smooth.
Oh yeah.
Alright, now we got the hitch plate assembled, which is all tagged in, so you should have no problem. It's pretty self-explanatory. Then you get this top bar right here, you just get it. But the number one thing when you're putting this together, make sure you do not weld inside, only on the top. If you weld inside, you may have some problems connecting, so just avoid welding on the inside. Good boy. Alright, this piece, which we got it cut to where it's going to fit perfectly around this tube, but whenever you get it on there, you just want to make sure you have 12 1/4 from the bottom, the top of this tube to the bottom of this tube right here. That should allow the hitch plate to fit on there straight. this hitch plate attached. What we did is we marked center right here, and what we found to be the easiest way is you can get a block. What you want to do from the center mark, measure 11 3/4. Put the block right there, maybe tack it, and that way you can kind of slide the plate up against the block. It kind of gives you a chance to tack. Maybe only put one tack. Then you can go back, you know, do your adjusting. What we did is the bend in this plate right here, if you can see, we kind of lined it up with the crown of the tube right here all the way down. That kind of gave us a measuring point. And then you can go from there, get it lined up, make sure you get your level, put it on top, get as level as you can.
Yeah, because y'all tacked the first side and then we pulled it down and got it level until it was, you know, level with the table and everything.
Now, you may have to play with it a little bit, but it's totally doable. And just as long as you get it level, you should be good.
Yeah, and then the back tube back here, we started at 12 1/4. We kind of just set them a little high, and then eventually, once we got the hitch plate on the bottom, we just pulled these down to 11 3/4, and then basically pulled the tube up against this gusset here.
If you make sure to only put one tack on the tube right here, it still allows this to be able to be, you know, manipulated, moved a little bit. That way you can get the correct measurements you need.
Yep. But past that, everything came out pretty good. We're gonna final weld everything we can. Just remember, do not weld under this hitch plate, under this hitch bar right here. So
I would suggest stitching. Maybe put a weld right here, maybe one or two in the middle. Because if you go to weld the whole thing, it's gonna warp and everything. It's much better just to stitch.
Yep. So I guess I'll let you weld this out and I'll come look and see what you got. Oh yeah.